What's up guys, it's Adrian and welcome back to my channel. So I just discovered something really beneficial for all independent artists out there. So it's an app slash link in bio, and basically it's the first of the kind that's specifically made for musicians. Basically all you do is put in your credentials, your Spotify credentials, and it automatically populates all your music and put it in a link in bio. So it's really beneficial because it's the easiest way to get streams and plays on your music and reach people who don't really know much about you. Now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. So this link in bio is basically from a company called Musaic. I am not sponsored by them or am in no way affiliated with them, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it's super beneficial for all independent artists who are in the music space. With this app, I even got 10,000 plays. So I wanted to show you guys and introduce you to this company because it's literally what I'm gonna use, and it kind of goes with what I preach and what I teach and share with you guys, because it's all about building a fan base. So basically, if you go to my Instagram page and then click the link in my bio, it brings you to my Musaic profile. And basically you can see it says latest release, join promo list, and it has my Spotify playlist there, has a music video from my YouTube, and also all my top tracks from Spotify. And you can customize this however you want. So if you're an independent artist and you're using any other link in bio, it's time for you to change, because this is going to help you get so much more plays on your music and get a ton of fans. So it's about time for independent artists like us to have a tool that we can use to build fans organically. Also, don't forget that there's a link under this video where you can just click it and create a profile, and it literally takes 5 seconds for you to be up and running with Musaic. So go ahead and click that link and go and create your profile. When you do create that profile, drop that link in the comments so we can actually go and check it out. So the cool thing is I actually got the opportunity to interview the founders of Musaic. And if you're interested in watching that interview, there's gonna be a link right here where you can actually go over and watch the interview and learn the behind the scenes of Musaic. And they go over a lot of details on how to use the platform and the most effective way to use a platform to get the most fans. So definitely go and check it out. All right, so now let's get into the walkthrough of the platform. So I actually want to start off by showing you guys how my Musaic profile looks. And basically what I have is 2 buttons on the top which says the latest releases, and this takes them to my Beatport page. So people can purchase my music if they are interested in supporting me or downloading any of my music. So from there, the other link is a join my promo list, because as a marketer and as an artist, I want to build my distribution list or my email list as big as possible. And basically anyone who joins my promo list is going to get my music before it comes out. So for anyone who was interested, they would click this, and I will then start to build an email list or a fan base of people who want my music. So if you haven't started collecting emails yet, definitely I would recommend to start. And I use MailChimp. All I'm doing is like a form where they put their name, email, and their artist name. And then underneath that, you have your other social links, which is I have my Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Instagram, and then I have a link to my playlist on Spotify, as well as a link to my YouTube video. And then I have a link going to my Hyped It. So now I can capture people's email via my Hyped It as well. And I also have my top Spotify tracks on my Musaic profile as well. Again, what I did, I strategically set it up this way from most important to least important in my case. You can set up however you want, and there's tons and tons more features. I'm just showing you guys how I set up. Now, if you guys are interested in setting up one of these for yourself, you can go over to either Musaic's Instagram profile and just click the link in their bio, or you can just type this in the website. What's cool is they always post a bunch of examples of other artists and how other artists is using the platforms. So if you guys are stuck and don't know how to set it up, or don't know how to visually set up, or what to do visually, you can just go over here and check out a couple of their other artists. They also allow you to do a merch store, but I'll get into that later. So on the Musaic website, you can scroll down. You can read all this if you want, but you can also scroll down, and they have examples of bigger artists who are using the platform. So what I think is dope is every artist set it up differently. There's no right or wrong way to set it up, but you can see that Ellie Dixon, she has a support my EP tip jar here. She has a join my Space Academy. She has a bunch of her other links here. She has her upcoming gigs. So if you wanted to buy her tickets, you can click here and purchase her tickets to some of her shows. She also has her song on Spotify here, as well as the music video that goes with it. And she has a live session where you can listen now. She has courses on here. Look, there's no limits on what you can put here, but the dope thing is it's a link in bio. So literally, when someone clicks on the link, they'll be able to listen to your music and stream your music and watch your music literally with one click from all platforms. So I think that's really dope that Musaic is doing that. You can see she's also selling a live video call with her, a one-on-one session. Tons and tons of ways for musicians to make money just by using this. So I really like this, and I think every artist who watches this should definitely get a Musaic link, because it's free. Like, you're literally not paying for anything. This is all free. Now here's another one that they have on their website. This is Snails, and he has all his links again. He has his Discord and his group, and he has his latest track on. He has his upcoming shows, but what I want to show you guys is the merch section. He's actually using Musaic and their platform to sell merch and make money. So if you click on his merch, it brings you to literally his merchandise store that has everything. Again, this is another opportunity for you guys to make money. Use this as a gateway to help you guys make more money, not just get streams, because you're going to be getting a lot of streams and plays and watch time from this link, but you also have the opportunity to now make money. They literally walk you through it step by step in setting up a merch store. So once you set up the merch store, you'll be able to start selling products and making money. As independent artists, we have to find as many ways to make money as possible, and this platform is giving you a bunch of tools. So what's also awesome is you can create an online profile. So you technically don't need a website. You could just use this, and it has all your links on it. So if anyone ever asks you, hey, can you send me some information about your music, your bio, literally everything is right here. You have all your music, all your music videos. You can have my process, like if you have a YouTube channel, you put that there. Let's hang out. You can sell services like Ellie Dixon is doing, and you can start conversations. You know, you can have people reach out to you. And she also has her tip jar, which is basically her, okay, so it's her PayPal. So she's making money that way as well. So I wanted to show you guys this because it's super, super dope and easy to set up. And I'm going to show you how to set it up. Basically, literally, you just create a bio, you put in your artist URL from Spotify, and then literally populates everything for you already. So I'm going to take you to mine. Now in mine, you can see that they have an insight section, and in the insight section, they have where your fans came from. They found you via the Instagram, Musaic, how many visited. I had a conversation with them, and they're gonna add a lot more data for you to see. So this is the beginning. And now what you could do, you can edit your profile, and you could change your profile photo. You could change the title of the page. You can change the background color, the background image. I didn't do any of that yet, but you can change all of it, customize it. You can even edit the 2 buttons that you have. Again, I have the buttons going to my Beatport and also to my MailChimp. And then you can put as many social links as you want. You can either put your social profiles, your merch store, website, Patreon, TikTok, your social websites, and also you can put your music services. So you can put Apple Music, Bootcamp, you put all your links in your bio. From there, you can edit the style of everything. So you can edit the backgrounds of basically all the items, and all the items would be these things. And from there, you can add new items. You can add pre-saves, you can add videos, you can add your music, you can add merch stores, you can add tickets, articles, podcasts, just links and buttons. You can also customize everything. It's really cool. You can literally put anything of yours, and all you have to do is put in the title, you put in description, the URL. You can also put in the video URL, the buttons, and then it populates everything for you in formats like this. I did have a conversation with them, and before, they never had buttons under individual tracks. Let me see if I can find an example. They never had buttons under individual tracks, but I actually spoke to them and asked them to add buttons to all of the tracks. So now you have the option to add buttons to all of your songs. And the reason why is because I do download gates a lot. I do gates. So in order to download any of my music, you have to go through a gate. So having a button under your songs is super, super valuable for building a email list and building a database. So you guys are welcome for that. I'll take all the credit for that. That's really, really good. So now you guys have the opportunity to send people to the songs, or to purchase your songs, or to a download gate, or to wherever you want to send them. And again, you can do merch stores, and merch stores are free. So this is included. So again, everything is free. They're gonna set you up with a merch store. They're gonna set you up with basically everything. They're gonna walk you through everything, show you examples, best practices. So again, if you want to create a Musaic profile, literally it takes 2 clicks, and there's going to be a link under my video, and I highly recommend you guys do this. Again, I'm not affiliated with them at all, but as a marketer and artist myself, it is super, super valuable, because this is exactly what I use to convert a lot of my Instagram followers or browsers to fans. They go to my Instagram page, they click the link in my bio, because I'm always sending them to the link in my bio, and then that's how they discover my music. And this is the exact same way of how I was able to get so many streams on my songs, as well as so many downloads of my music. So if you found value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below.